everyone, we're going to evaluate the limit as n approaches infinity of the sum from I equals 1 to n of 3 divided by n times sine squared of pi times I all divided by n. To use the definite integral on this to find the sum, we're going to write it in this format and then use the definite integral to find the sum. So basically it's pretty much already in our format, except this 3 divided by n. We only have 1 divided by n, so I can rewrite this as the limit as n approaches infinity of the sum from I equals 1 to n, and I'm going to pull the 3 out front here, sine squared of pi times I divided by n, and this is all going to be times 1 divided by n for that part. Alright, and then I can rewrite it in this format, which is going to be the integral from 0 to 1. I'm going to pull this 3 out, and this is just going to be sine squared, and since we have the n here, that goes away and you just change your I to an x. So that's going to be pi times x dx. Alright, from here, when you integrate, these are the trig identities you want to use for sine squared and cosine squared. So I'm going to use this integral here, and this is going to give you, we have 1/2. So I'm going to write this as 3 divided by 2 times the integral and use my identity. I'm pulling out the 1/2 again here. So that's 3 divided by 2. You're going to have a 1 minus cosine and 2 pi x dx. Alright, from here we can integrate. We have 3 divided by 2. This piece here is going to be x. And then the antiderivative of cosine of 2 pi x is going to be negative sine 2 pi x. Using your u substitution, though, you have to multiply this by 1 divided by this 2 pi. Alright, and then we're going to evaluate it from 0 to 1. So when you substitute in 1, you're going to get 3/2 times 1 minus, and when you substitute in 1, you're going to get 1 divided by 2 pi times sine of 2 pi. When you substitute in the 0 here, you're going to get 0 here and 0 here. So that's just going to be minus 0. This also is 0. Sine of 2 pi is 0. So basically you have 3/2 times 1, and that equals 3 divided by 2. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.